Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or how to disable the downtime in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option screen time. Then here you can see the option downtime, tap on this one. So to enable this one, you need to tap on the option turn on downtime till tomorrow. During downtime, only apps you choose to allow and phone calls will be available. Like the airplane mode, it will increase the battery life also if you enable this downtime. You can see during downtime the phone calls will be available, and also we can turn on for some applications also. So here I am going to turn on this one. Okay, turn on that. I in this device I turn on the downtime. Now go to your home page. Now you can see the clock application, the Safari application, the phone calls will be enabled. All other applications you can see it is disabled. So here I am going to turn on this, tap on the option calendar. You can see it is not opening. You can see it is not opening. Only some of the application is enabled. Okay. So if you want to disable this one, again go to settings, tap on the option screen time, then tap on downtime, just turn off this one. Now just wait for a few seconds to activate this turn off. The downtime is in this device. Just wait for a few seconds. It will disable from this device. Yeah. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the downtime in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.